Basically, an economic recession is a condition when a country's economy deteriorates. Technically, a recession is defined as a decline in a country's GDP for 2 straight quarters. A recession is driven by higher demand as pandemic restrictions are easing and the war in Ukraine is boosting energy, fuel, and food prices. However, major rate hikes raise the risk of a recession as it can cause the economy to slow down.
Now, several economists have said that the UK, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and Canada will all fall into a recession along with the US. A US recession is also predicted to hit Southeast Asian countries as well, such as Singapore and Thailand, which will most likely be the first to feel the impact.